the Litheli Cordless Impact Wrench. Hello everyone, welcome to BrianUnboxed. This is the 20-volt cordless half-inch impact wrench by Litheli. It can be used for assembly, automotive repairs, and equipment maintenance. I will go over specs, features, and then test the impact wrench out. I have included a link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. It comes in a simple package, and inside you will get the following: the impact wrench, user manual, belt clip, charger, and battery. Some of the features are: it's a cordless impact wrench, half-inch square anvil and D10 pin, 300 foot-pounds of torque, variable speed, and 2400 RPMs, impact rate of 2500 IPM, 3 LED lights, 20 volts 2 amp battery, and it takes 1 hour to charge with overheat protection, bare weight of 3.9 pounds, and has a pure copper motor. Hey, just a short message here. Have you heard of MContent? Well, if you haven't, it's a platform which allows you to earn crypto tokens by just watching videos. Exactly what you're doing now. So check out the app on the Google Play Store, App Store, or mcontent.net to get started. Why not earn free tokens while you watch? Use referral code BrianUnboxed when setting up the app, and subscribe to my channel and you'll see all my content there. The impact wrench is not that big and has a weight of 3.9 pounds as mentioned without the battery. It's easy to grip and it's fairly light, and you have the branding on the side. And it feels solid as you can see the metal housing. And the battery slot is on the bottom. Taking a look at the side, you have the following: the half-inch square drive, the variable speed trigger, directional switch, and the soft grip. And on the front you have the 3 LED lights. The battery is 20 volts 2 amp hours and is also light. Doesn't add too much weight to the wrench. You have the release button on the sides, and on the front you have the status button that will show the overall charge left. Installing it is simple, just slide it on the bottom until it clicks into place. And charging it is a matter of sliding it on the charger, and you have the green and red LED to provide you the overall charge levels. And this is how the impact wrench sounds. For my personal use, I will be mainly using this at home for tire rotations. Installing and removing the socket is quick and easy. And to test it out, I will remove the lug nuts on this Subaru Outback. The impact wrench was able to remove the lug nuts as I rotated my tires. It didn't struggle at all, and there was ample charge left on the battery. It can handle an assortment of jobs, from assembly, automotive repair, or equipment maintenance. The only thing I would have liked to have seen is a storage case. But I feel this has tremendous value, especially at its price point. So that is my review of the Litheli Cordless Impact Wrench. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is BrianUnboxed. Take care everyone.